Come here, Miss Fluff.
Miss Fluff.
Come here.
Can you tell them apart, Biscuit?
I can't really. This is one that's got the most white on it. It's usually the one that will let you touch it the most.
It's too big.
Got it? Now hold it tight.
It's okay, chicken.
There we go.
Look at that boy. You doing something your Gigi won't do. Look at you.
Chicken.
You gonna put her down? You tired? You done? Oh!
You gonna try to grab it by yourself? Look and see if there's any eggs in there, King.
King, look at that. See if there's some eggs in that thing. Look in the bin. Look at that silver thing.
Over here.
See if they laid some eggs in there.
Yeah.
You see eggs?
Yeah.
Get it out.
Get it out.
Oh, yeah.
There's some in there.